Hi, my name is Caden Dudney.
Hi, my name is Hayden Ferguson, and this is 5 Questions with Caden Dudney. What's the most chaotic thing that's ever happened on a press day or a race?
Oh, that's a tough one. I don't know. I'm pretty chaotic all the time.
Yeah, that's
There's not like just one specific thing. It's like,
I feel like every race day is the most chaotic race day.
agreed.
Next one?
Yeah, next one.
All right.
Why am I kind of nervous?
I don't know. What rider is the best dressed?
I don't know. I don't really pay attention to that. If I had to say anyone, it'd probably be like Deegs or Gordon.
That's fair. Next question.
Yeah.
All right. Right off the top. Who is the funniest rider on the team?
I'm gonna have to go with Manier.
Yeah.
He's always talking and saying something.
I'm going to have to agree with that one. Next one. Who is the best trash talker?
Webb.
Yeah.
I didn't even know what to think about that
It's
one.
just Coop. It's just
It's just Coop.
Next one. If one of them is going to yell at you, would you rather it be Brad or Bobby?
Bobby. Bobby yells at you like every race, just sometimes for no reason, just get you hyped up.
Yeah.
I've never actually seen Brad mad or yell at anyone. I don't think I want to.
No. Same.
That would be pretty bad and scary.
This has been 5 Questions with Caden Dudney.